Guess who's back? Back again.
Hello, friend.
Yo guys, what's up? How you doing? We're gonna be ranking Windows startup sounds today. And yeah, this might look like a very weird video to start and return. But you know, I had this in the cards for a long time. And yeah, I'm gonna probably be ranking them today and seeing which one's the best. Now, if I take a look back, the first Windows version I ever used was XP. And you know, Windows 7. And for me, Windows 7 is the best operating system I've ever used. Anything, even Android, whatever it is. Windows 7 is the best. With I think you probably top the startup sounds, to be honest. But you know, there's a lot of different startup sounds, so we'll see. We'll go through all of them and then we'll see. You know what I mean? I did upload the video of Windows startup sounds, I think about a while ago. No, we'll probably use that video again, so I'll put that in the description as well if you want to see it. And yeah, we're gonna be ranking it today from 1 to whatever, how many it is. And we'll see how it goes. Also, if you like this video, please like and subscribe. So guys, obviously we're going to rank it S to F, with S being an absolute masterpiece, to F being an absolute shitter. And yeah, so we're going to start with Windows 98. And Windows 98, I'll put the startup sound right now. Absolutely amazing. So good. I'm going to go for there. Right up in F. Honestly, so good. I'll play it right now. Really, really good. Long the one that we on YouTube is of an actual Samsung version of Windows XP. It's not actually Longhorn, but we'll rank it based on that. It's gonna be a B. It sounds very like heavenly, honestly. It sounds like you're like going up to heaven or rising up. NT 4.0, honestly, C. I'll play every one of them. So you know what I'm talking about. It's D, let's be honest guys, it's D. Windows Server 2000. Oh yeah, okay, yeah. It's good. It's alright, it's like B, C. I don't know if that... If there's a category in between, I'll put it right there. But, I'll put it on top of C. Windows 7, right to the top. I don't care what anyone says, Windows 7 is the best startup sound. The best. It will go up a little bit above 90. 98 is really good, but you know, Windows 7 is Windows 10. Windows 10 actually happened. I don't think it did. 8 and 10 didn't really happen. It was just like the same thing, right? Yeah. It was F. Fuck Windows 10 startup sound. Terrible. NT again. So right. Yeah, so this is normal. Yeah, see, Windows Whistler. That one's alright, I put it B, felt like end of B. It just like, it's on the cusp of there again with the same thing as 2000, Windows 7. But I think it's a little bit higher, that's what I think. 95 is, Windows 2000, underrated, of course, very underrated. I'll give it a B. Yeah, Windows 8, F, fuck yourself. Go fuck yourself, Windows 8, stupid shit. Windows Vista, bit operating system, because of how slow it ran, but the startup sound is essentially the same as Windows 7, so you know, you gotta give it the same thing. Right? Windows XP, nostalgic as hell, A. Right at the end of it. Or maybe up here. You know what, we'll see later if it goes into S. But yeah, well, Windows B, learning efficient. Okay, worst operating system I've ever seen, honestly. The startup sound wasn't too bad, so end of C on it. There's a lot of ones that are repeated down here, honestly. There's Windows NT5 or Windows, yeah. This one, it's like mostly in Asia, honestly. It's not really in the UK or yeah, let's see. The rest of them are just repeats, I'll just do it. 98 again up there. Longhorn, same place. 4.0 goes there. 2000 goes there. NT again, same shit. 7 up. Right on the very top. Windows 10, shit up. Fuck yourself, Windows Whistler over there. I don't know why I'm cursing at operating system. Let's see, Windows 2000 is... Okay, where did it go? Alright, so Windows 98. What the fuck is that? That's 95. 95 there. Okay. This is over there. XP is right here. So yeah, honestly guys, that's pretty much it. I think, you know, with the operating system, Windows 11, if I was doing Windows 11 here, I'd probably play around the B category. It's not too bad, honestly. It sounds alright. I think it's starting to grow on me. I didn't like it at first because it was kind of short. But I mean, all Windows startup sounds kind of short. But yeah, I think it's really, really good. Honestly, it could move up to A if, you know, I don't know if it's grown that much. But I think, you know, it's probably in between like B and C, or maybe in like the B. It's like near the long haul talk category where it sounds pretty good. Like, I know some people are kind of scared of the end part. Yeah. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in a bit. Take care. Peace.